4 corners for the base of the ladder crossbar rack I'm building for the truck. And now we'll figure out the tubes from this. It's about 23 inches to the cab height, but I'll probably want to go like 24 or so to go above the cab so I can keep going. All right. So here's where we're at with this project is we got both the ladder bars built. I'll be honest, I could have done a little bit better job on the welds, but there's some good penetration and I need to go buy some parts for my welder to make it work a little better. Anyways, so I want to make a crossbar. A pipe that goes right here across. And so basically I've already cut out exactly that distance, which is 7 feet, but I didn't have enough pipe, so I had to weld together this right there and sand it down, and this pipe is going to go in between there. I'll show you what I did over here. So basically I got a couple washers and a 1/2-inch nut, and I welded it all up to the end here, so now this can go through here. And then right there is just gonna be the bars on the truck. So let's get that done and we'll go from there.